Everyone seems to be claiming lately that apple cider vinegar or ACV is fantastic, and has so many health advantages. There are apple cider vinegar all everywhere. Everyone appears to enjoy it and talk about it constantly. For a very long time, apple cider vinegar was utilized as a home cure for health issues. It's actually an old cure. These advantages were always present, but it appears that we are just now becoming more conscious of them. You can find apple cider vinegar almost at any places. There are many discussion about health, diet, or natural cures these days, since more people are attempting to improve their lives by making healthier and more natural choices. Following is full explanation of the ACV great benefits.
Even though apple cider vinegar has an overwhelming acidic content, you should not drink it straight to profit from its superb properties. Some of those properties contain raw enzymes and also promotion of good microbes in the digestive tract. In order to avoid the style, some people will substitute apple cider vinegar for regular vinegar when they select their favorite vegetables or pair it with olive oil to make a salad dressing with a little kick. However, by merely diluting ACV or adding it to a tea before going to bed, a lot of health concerns will be addressed. Next is halitosis. Yes, this is an awful smell in your breath, especially when you wake up in the morning. It's probably due to too much bacteria inside your mouth. So drinking 1 tablespoon with 8 ounces of water and a slice of lemon before bed will keep that bacteria away and let you wake up more refreshed. Next is lower blood sugar level. Some people have difficulty sleeping because of a peak in their blood sugar level at night. It's one of the leading causes of insomnia. It also impedes the body from burning fat. So ACV lowers blood sugar levels because it increases insulin sensitivity. If you are not taking any blood glucose drugs, try taking 2 tablespoons of ACV right before bed each evening and see if you don't have any more restful night. And if you are taking prescription medications for diabetes, please speak with your doctor before using this natural remedy. Next is hiccups. This nice trick overrides nerves in your throat that are responsible for hiccups. If these nerves have to deal with powerful style of ACV, hiccups becomes less of an issue. Next is sinus relief. If you have a stuffed nose because of the allergens, don't worry. Remember, you have ACV. Rather than reaching for an over-the-counter decongestant, rely on the B vitamins to work with the potassium and magnesium in the apple cider vinegar. It's to loosen up your sinuses so you can breathe easier. Next is drop unwanted pounds. A lot of people are searching or probing for the most effective way to lose weight by trying ACV into their weight loss regime. However, did you know that not getting a good night's sleep is also associated with being overweight? And researchers found out that ACV inhibits the body once it tries to convert starches into calories. Not only that, but it also reduces your appetite. The pectin it contains actually makes you feel more satisfied. So when it's time to go to bed and you're hungry, sip a little apple cider vinegar tea to feel satisfied and sleep better. Reflux remedy. When your stomach is void of the necessary amount of acid, it tends to move around to do the job that full amount would easily do. When that happens, some of the acid can sneak up the esophagus and burn your throat. So ACV helps to restore that acid and balance your intestinal tract. So try a tablespoon with a full glass of water an hour before bedtime. Next is sore throat. ACV could be a powerful antibacterial. Its acidity helps kill bacteria that live in the back of your throat. And if you have an inflammatory disease, in 30 minutes intervals, take 1 tablespoon of ACV. And at nighttime, 1 hour before bed, drink 1 teaspoon. Then after 30 minutes, drink another one. Then finally, drink the 3rd dose just before bed. Next is restless legs. If you have restless legs or are often plagued with leg cramps in the middle of the night, it's probably a sign that you're not getting enough potassium in your diet. By adding 2 tablespoons of ACV to 8 ounces of water, you'll quickly boost your energy levels and avoid these annoying problems. Alright, next is upset stomach. Sometimes a simple remedy like apple cider vinegar can settle an upset stomach. Again, by helping restore the pH level in the digestive tract, you can rid yourself of excess gas and even stomach cramping. Try a warm cup of water with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to calm an upset stomach. And of course, lastly, don't forget to enjoy and have fun.